Yes, students, in the last video we had completed exercise 1.3 explanation part. Today we'll be writing the classwork part. So I want everyone to open your classwork book and your textbook, pen, pencil, whatever is necessary. So exercise 1.3, page number 92. So let's start writing now. So where you have written, leave one line and write exercise EXERCISE, exercise 1.3. Start the first main, leave one line and write first main. Writing words according to Indian system. So now you know two system of writing, Indian and international. So this means we are going to write according to Indian system in words. So you can copy the heading in textbook also. Means you can copy the heading from the textbook also. To Indian system. Full stop. First one, 91488. You can see the comma here. That means 91,488. So write in words 91,000. N-I-N-T-Y. 91,000. Leave one finger space between each word and write neatly 91,400. F-O-U-R 400 and 88. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. E-I-G-H-T. 8. If you don't have place, you can go for the next line, children. Now I'm going for the second question. Leave one line and write the second question. 8,80,801. Same thing, I'm going to write in words. E-I-G-H-T. 8 lakhs. L-A-K-H-S. Lakhs. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1,000. 80,800. E-I-G-H-T. 800. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100 and 1. O-N-E 1. Now let's go for the third one. 4 lakh 61,020. So it's not 4 lakh, then it's 4 crore 61,000 61 lakh 21,384. So write 4 crore comma 61 lakh comma 21,000. Still I'll be continuing the next page. I don't have place here. If you have place, continue. I wrote 21,000. Next is 384. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. F-O-U-R 4. 84. The last one, fourth one. 5 crore 30 lakh 41,311. Let's write in words. 5 crore 30 lakh 41,000. Children, I am not repeating the spellings because you are now 5th. You should know the spellings already. If you have any doubt, you can look at the video and write 41,311. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Now let's go for the second mean. Second mean is in your next page, page number 93, children. Second mean, write in figures according to Indian system. So this is also an Indian system. Let's write in figure according to Indian system. Full stop. So children, I'll be copying the questions and I'll show you. You also please copy the first 3 questions from the textbook and let's continue. Students, I have copied the question and I have the space to write the answer also. Please do the same. Now you can pause the video, copy the question and then come back for the answers. The answer is 7,06,508. Children, you can first see the places. 8 is in ones place. There is no tens place. 100 is here, 1000 is here, no 10,000, no lakh, no 10 lakh, crore is here. So be careful when you are writing the numbers. So let us start writing from ones place only so that it doesn't confuse. 8 is in ones place. There is no tens place, so 0. 5 is in hundreds place. And after this you have to take a comma. 6 is in thousands place. And there is no 10,000, comma. You should have lakh and 10 lakh. That is also not here. Comma, you have 7 crores. So 7 in the crore place. This will be the number. Let's see the next one. Check 2 in ones place. Tens you have? No. So write a 0. 6 in hundreds place, comma. 1 6. 7 in thousands place. There is no 10,000 place. So you have to write 0. And you have 3 lakhs. No 10 lakhs there. So 0 in 10 lakhs place, comma, 6 crore. So write 6 in crores place. Same thing we'll do the next one. 80, it means 8 is in tens place. Nothing is in ones place. 0. 400, 4 in hundreds place. 3,000. There is no 10,000 here. Next, 90 lakh. That means 90 lakh. I want you to try the next 2 sums to be done in the textbook only. Now we'll go for the third main. Write the numbers according to international system. So you should write the number names now. Write the number names according to international system. I to be capital. International system. Full stop. So let's start writing. I'm going to write in next page children, so that I not have sufficient place. So you can see they have also placed the commas in international way only. So this is ones group, thousands group, next will be millions group, right, in international system. So 3 million, right, 3 in words, million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N, million. And then you have 412,000, right, 412,000. So it's very easy children to write it in words. Next 617. 617. Same thing, let's go for the next sum. 3,412,964. Same like this, only the last part is changing. So let's write 3,412,000. The next is 964. Okay children, now I am going to take a little bigger number to show you examples. Fourth one, I am copying the G question here. Okay children, question G. You can see millions place, you have 3 numbers in millions group. So 124 million. Let's write it. 124 million. This is in million group. In thousands group, only 8 here. So 8,000. 8,000. Last one is 345. 345. So next, fourth one. Again, let me take another tricky sum. 412, 400, not 4. So again you have millions, thousands and ones group. So 412 million. 412 million. Next group is 400,000. So write 400,000. And in ones group you have only 4. So next we'll go for the next main children. Others let us try in the homework part. You don't have place to write it there, so don't write it. When I say you to write in homework, you will copy the question, write the answer in the homework part. Fifth main, write the following number names in figures. So this is given in international system way. Number names are given. They wanted you to write the numbers for it. Okay, same thing. Please copy the question from the textbook. First, I'll tell you which are the questions to be copied. 1, 3, 5. I'm going in alternative way. First one, third one and fifth one. Those questions I'll be writing and showing you the answers, children. Next children, I have copied the first question. So let's write the answer for that. 354,000. So just first write that number here. 354,000, comma, next is 830. Yes, 830. So write 830. This is the answer for the first one. Full stop. Now next page I have written the third question and next the fifth question, children. So third question is 464 million. So let me write that first. 464 million, comma, 340,000. 4,000. So write 304,000, comma 40. You don't have 100, you just have 40. So write 0 in hundreds place. Next, 4 million. You don't have anything else, you have only 4 million. So write 4, comma 3,000. So 100,000, 10,000 place is empty. Only 3,000, comma 4. So 100, 10s all are empty. Only the ones place, 4 is here. So this is the number. Now let's go for the fill in the blanks. You can all take a textbook and write the fill-ups in the textbook only, children. But write in your book with pencil only. Don't write it with pen. You can write 1 million is equal to dash lakh. For this you should compare the place value chart. I am showing you the place value chart here. This is in your previous year textbook. So what is the question is 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? So you can see ones is equal to ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Still here it is all same. But when you come for 1 lakh, here it is 100,000. So 1 lakh is 100,000. But what they have asked for? 1 million. So what is 1 million equal to? 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. You have to write 10 in this place. Next, 10 crores is equal to how many millions? This is in the international table only, children. So if I say ones, tens, how many ones you have in tens? 10 ones. Similarly, how many 10 crores is equal to how many millions? Where is 10 crore? 10 crore. How many millions you have here? 100 millions. So 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. Here it is 10, make it 100 millions. 50 lakh is equal to how many millions? Okay, 50 means it's 10 lakhs, right? So 10 lakhs is how many million? 1 million. So 50 lakh will be 5 million. 5 million. Next, 100,000 is equals to how many lakhs? 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. So write 1. Dash crore is equals to 10 million. So 10 million is here. Is equals to how many crore? 1 crore. So write 1 crore is equals to 10 million. So this is the answers for the fill-ups. Now let's go for the next mean, ascending and descending order. So in ascending and descending order, children, for the same question you should write ascending order also, descending order also. Okay, so let's write the mean. So in the classwork we have to write fifth mean. Heading, write in ascending and descending order. Full stop. So first let us write the question. First one, 48,579. Next, leave little space, minimum 2 finger space here. 49,875. 47,986. Children, don't forget the commas. 49,578. So first when I am writing, I am going to write it in ascending, ASC. Okay, I'll start my answer here. First I write ascending order, means small to big. Which is the small one in this? You have to check the first numbers, you all are same. Second numbers, 7 is the smallest. So I have to pick that number, 47,985. 2 finger space. Next will be 8 is the smaller. 48,579. Next, 49, 49, both are same. So go for the next number, 8 and 5. 5 is the smaller. So 49,578. The last is 49,875. So I have finished my ascending order. For descending order, leave one line and write DES, descending. For it's very easy because you have already written your ascending order. You write from the last and come to first. That will be a descending one. So write the first here. The last number here in the first. Next here the second number will be the next number. Then next. And the last 4, 7, 9, 8, 5. So what I have done is I have just written the numbers in the opposite direction here. Okay. Same thing will go with the second children. For second one, 65,869, 68,975, 65,789, 68,579. For answer, first is ASC, ascending order. Smallest is 65. The next number is 7 here. This is the smallest. 65,789. So next 65,869. Next 68. So let's see the next number. 5 is the smallest. 68,579. 68,975. So now let's descend them, means arranging in descending order. So I should write the numbers from the back side. So let's write the last number here first. Next this number. Next number. Then this number. So let's do one more sum. I am going to select the fourth sum, children, but here I will write 3, but I am writing the fourth sum from the test book because it's little bigger and it is little trickier also. So let's write this. You can copy the question from the test book also, children. Now I am writing the answer. First in ascending order, small to big. Children, see, everything has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 digit. This is also 8 digit. But only the first one is 6 digit. So always lesser number digit will be the smallest one. 6 digit is the smallest one number here. Next, all are 8 digits. So check the first place. 6 is the smaller one. Here both are 8. So go for the second number. This 2 and 3. 2 is the smaller one. And the last, this is the biggest one. And if you see, it's already arranged in ascending order. So descending order is from the opposite side. You write 8, 3, 1, 14, 12, 8, 21, 41, 911, 6 million 71. So it's in Indian. 6 crore 71 lakh 1,311, 7 lakh 53,129. This is the answer. The other two sums I'll let you do it in the homework book, but not now. Before ending this, children, all of you should and compulsory complete your classwork part. I'll be checking it in the interactive classes without fail. And any doubt you have, you can discuss in the interactive session, children. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.